Hey guys, this is Peter Steves here with another part of Banjo Kazooie. And as we last left off, I finally finished my monthly mansion. Now, I'm going to here. If I can. Somehow, I will find the painting and I will get back to you. Because my brain's not working. It's like, should I go through there? Should I not? Should I? All the above. Ooh. I found you. Who activated a magic cauldron. Find you. No. You're getting me in there. I'm going in there. When I'm nice, claim one more. Burgers, fries, and chips galore. That's great, Grunty. That's great. It's great to hear everything you have to offer. Because do you think we'd all care? Does this really work? Wait. I can not do anything. I think I'm doing nothing. And I'll get back to you guys when I find the painting to activate this place. And finish it, and kill. I was really hoping for something better. Ooh, guys, I found something. Quickly, get it. No, I'm not going to die. See, I got it. I finally got the token. The token that reveals the friendship that I have between Mumbo and Banjo. Okay guys, I'm back here at Freeze Easy Peak. And I'm up here like 3 stories high. And I'll get into the action right around now. And this can only stop. Come on, I gotta do this. Gotta do this. 5, 4. Come on. Oh, dang it! How do I get rid of you? Get rid of you. There's got to be a easy explanation. Like literally. This is like the. How do I really get rid of this? It is by pure magic. Completely. There is no way getting rid of it. I cannot just do any. Or. Aha! That's a great idea. Save. And always do now. How do I get rid of this? I need some fire. Power. Do I shoot eggs? I could always try that. Aha! Knew it. Now I got some red. Yes! Connected. I am connected, loaded, and jacked. That's you create a shortcut. Hop in and see. No, I'll do that later. I'll do that once I'm done with the whole game. Aha, got rid of that. So now I'm gonna have to do a good running start from where I was. Which should be coming up pretty soon. If I do say so myself. And I actually do say so myself because I'm the only person here and you're here to see my bad voice. Come on. Okay, I got this. Okay, I got this. Yes! Yeah! Gotcha! I have not left you out in the cold. Dang it. Dang it, why did I do that? Why? Why? And I don't know what else I can do, but I'm gonna see you back at the painting where I go into Rusty Bucket Bay, which is the name of the that fell down in the year Banjo Kazooie, wherever this takes place, with weird mystical animals. And I'll see you at the painting of Rusty Bucket Bay. So guys, I have a short story for you. It's about where the creators of Banjo Kazooie, well, they made a deal with Banjo Kazooie. And you know what the deal is? That they have the logo on this box. Right here. Where I've been sitting this whole time. Right here. Right here. Where I am just wandering off somewhere else, not knowing what to do. But right here, this just drives me crazy. Not to know that this is the place where I was supposed to do things, and yeah, curse you, yeah, in many different words, in many different forms, because I wasted all this time just to get one silly chickie, which is not really bad in my part. There's worse things that could have happened, but I'll get you to be. Okay, now, let's see. Got this. No wonder they have that. No. Okay. I'm fine. No. Oh, and they expect me to put in 32. For your information. Wait, once I get this. For your information, this is a lot. This is a lot. I have 32. This can't be the odds of what I have. C. Dang it. C. Yes. Only use 12. Which is still a lot. But at least I got it. Rusty Bucket Bay. Yes. Which means I have to, which I don't have to, but it's best to get 100%. Is there any way of looking now? No. I predicted my own moves. I am just a predictor. Come on. I can predict many things. Like, I'm gonna go down here and see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens. Will the game crash? Most likely. There could be a million turnovers. Ha! So I have to use some special move, which I have not learned yet. Dang it. Yeah, what am I doing? First of all, this game's like, nope, we're gonna let you die. And second of all, I am very bad at knowing where things are, because I'm gonna open this. Don't kill me, please. No, I needed those honeycombs. Just like you don't need those honeycombs. Because I am just a food person. Down I go. Into Rusty Bucket Bay. Hello, Rusty Bucket Bay. Hey, Banjo, you're looking. Don't say a single word. Okay, Tilda. Okay? Got an agreement. I'm gonna finish Rusty Bucket Bay. in the next couple of hours because I feel such a good person. Okay, let's see what's in here. First off, there's a bunch of TNT. Second of all, look, I meant to jump up in here. Yes! Free life, free lives. Yes, free lives. Dang it, dang it. Ah, I'm killing it today. Well, killing it now. Before I was just so shocked at what we could do. Let's see. A bunch of nothingness. Okay, let's see. Am I missing anything? Oh yeah. If that's it up there, it's gonna be forever. Come on. Let's see. Oh. I know what I need to do. I need to parkour. Cause I am a parkour master. And there's a golden feather. Now, when I go for a golden feather, obviously. Let's see. Dang it. Come on, I got this. A pro. Only a pro can do this. Let's see. I noticed this up here. Here, if I can get to it. Let's see. If I can only grab to ledges. If I can only grab to ledges, then I would really like this game. Let's see. Nope, I know. Oh no, you don't. I deflate you. There's no need for you to live, lifeguard. Whatever your things are called. Because you're history. Ha ha ha. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, first I go 3. Then I don't go 2, I go 1. Because I know from last experience. 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. No. 3, 1, 2, 1. Dang it. Okay. 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Dang it. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Dang it. Oh, I got it. 3, 1, save, 2, 1. Let's see. 2. No. I knew I was gonna die. No. There was another 1. Yes. Give me it. I do not deserve it, but without this thing loads, I did not want to waste a life. That was the least of my worries. Now, how do I get you? How do I get you out? Aha. Oh, don't want to go in that toxic area. Let's see. Let's see, go first to end off the episode, I will sit and do nothing. No, kill you. I will obviously see you guys later because I need to cool off and relax. This has been Peter Steves here with Rusty Bucket Bay after my Let's Play of Mad Monster Mansion because I really hated that place. It's so old. I'm finally done with it and I can now relax up here. Relax and look at look at the horizon, look at the houses, and look at all the areas I can explore. And I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, do whatever you want. But you have just seen this video. See you guys later. Bye.